Firstly, strategic investing. Unlike the average saver, the wealthy are astute investors. They plant their money in fertile grounds like stocks, real estate, and businesses. Consider it as planting seeds that grow into money trees over time. They buy stocks in promising companies, and as these companies flourish, their stock value rises, making them wealthier. Secondly, continuous learning. The wealthy understand that knowledge is power. They are voracious readers, lifelong learners, always staying abreast with trends and new information. It's akin to adding tools to their financial toolbox. They educate themselves about personal finance, attend investing seminars, and take entrepreneurship courses online, equipping themselves to make informed financial decisions. Thirdly, they diversify their income. The wealthy rarely rely on a single source of income. It's like having several faucets filling their financial bucket. They might hold a job, invest in stocks, own rental properties, or even run a side business. If one income stream dries up, the others continue to flow. Fourthly, the wealthy are smart budgeters. They meticulously track their spending, ensuring they save and invest a portion of their earnings. Picture it as laying a strong foundation for their financial house. They allocate money for savings and investments first, and then spend what's left. This strategy ensures their wealth grows over time, even as they maintain their lifestyle. Lastly, networking. The top 1% understand that your network is your net worth. They surround themselves with successful people, knowing that these relationships can open doors and create opportunities. It's like having a team propelling you towards the goal of wealth. So there you have it. The 5 key strategies of the top 1%. Strategic investing, continuous learning, multiple income streams, smart budgeting, and networking. These are more than mere tactics. They are the building blocks of wealth, the principles that guide the top 1% in securing their financial future and leading a prosperous life. Harness these strategies, and you too could join the ranks of the wealthy. Remember, wealth is not just about having money, it's about having options. And with these strategies, the world of wealth is yours to explore.